Hello, beautiful people!
people!
Guys, today we are at Panda Restaurant and they opened a new shop at El Defense Road. The chef today, he's gonna teach us how to make a beautiful, exquisite Dan Dan noodles from scratch. Chef, you ready?
Yes.
All right, stay tuned. So, I'm in the kitchen with Awal.
今天我们要去做最好吃的担面面，它一定很有趣。
Awal, we're gonna make the Dan Dan noodle. You ready?
Yes.
So, the first step to make this beautiful Chinese noodles,
We can add the flour and the alkali together.
the soda is used to make the noodle more slippery and more chewy.
We're gonna mix them together properly. Then in a different bowl, we're gonna add the salt, the water, and eggs. We're gonna combine them, all of them together until everything is properly dissolved. This is where we're gonna mix the two combinations together until the dough is sort of flaky. If we're not gonna mix it like making any regular dough.
We're gonna add the combination in a dough sheeter, as you can see as well in this video. He's gonna roll it many times until the dough is very smooth and the texture is soft. After finishing this step, we're gonna dust it with a bit of corn flour. And then again, we're gonna put it in the machine and make the layer thinner. So once everything is properly done, this is where we're gonna put them in another machine. It's basically very similar to a pasta machine where it's gonna slice the noodles. So this is the time where we're gonna blanch the noodles. It's very basic. In hot boiling water, we're gonna add the noodles, leave them for 3 minutes, and that's about it. Oh my god, I really love the texture of those noodles. Have you ever made noodles before? Leave me a comment and let me know.
担担面呢要放，刚开始放葱花香菜，然后放芝麻酱，还有香油，还有那麻油，然后再放生抽，放老抽，然后不用放盐，然后放味精，放鸡精一点点，放一点点糖，然后放一点点鸡粉，然后再放一勺牛肉酱，然后再加一点高汤，然后把那个料搅匀，搅匀之后，面煮好了倒进去，然后再搅拌，把那个酱料拌均匀，然后上面放青菜，然后放芝麻，放花生，然后再放一点点胡萝卜丝，装饰比较好看，然后再放3颗青菜，就放这么多。
It really took us a lot of time to make this Dan Dan noodle. And after all this work, I really want to highlight a few dishes that I really enjoy once I come to Panda Bao Bao. So the first dish that I really enjoy is the black fungus salad. It's very fresh, crispy, original, tangy, chili in the same time with some garlic. It is known as well as jewel ears. The texture honestly is very similar to seaweed, but I definitely recommend this dish for you. Second dish that I really enjoy is the mixed mushroom and chicken leg meat bao. So they come a sort of very fluffy dough and they are filled with chicken, with mushrooms. They are really exceptional. I don't know, every time we come here, my wife, she always wants them on the table. The Chinese noodles that we did are honestly made to perfection. When we added this beef seasoning, the beef mixture is made out of ginger, chili, soya sauce, and beef, and a lot of chili as well inside. And I think there's a bit of Sichuan pepper as well. That is really, really good. It have a lot of strong flavor, peanutty. Oh my god, the entire combination is absolutely wonderful. I definitely recommend those 3 dishes to try at Panda Bao Bao. We really learned a lot of things today. Thank you Panda Bao Bao, and thank you chef for letting me come into your kitchen and learn this beautiful Dan Dan dish. I really appreciate it. It was really an amazing experience to learn. We'll see you very soon with a new vlog, a new recipe. Have a beautiful day. Ciao.